Actually, I had bought three items, and all the three were delivered by a company called Cloudtel, and yeah, they got delivered on the same day. I will be making separate videos for each of those products, this one being the first one on that. So this is a hot wave lunchbox. Let's see how it looks in this unboxing video. So there are of course lots of companies out there which sells lunch boxes, but Cello being a known name in the market for this kind of office and school lunch boxes, and I pretty much saw lots of good reviews for this in Amazon, so I bought this one. This one, as I saw in the website, was available in 3 different sizes and had a, like you see in this box, like it was available in 3 sizes, and there was a bag as well that was coming along with it. So let's see whether all those are intact. Okay, I will set this aside. So this was priced at 695 rupees. So yeah, let's see. And this was available in 3 colors actually, teal, blue, orange and red colors. So I opted for the orange one. Okay, there is not much of messy packaging actually. The bag looks soft. Let's just open it. The zip also looks sturdy enough. Yeah, so this is okay. This one I didn't expect actually. So there is of course a spoon and a fork as well, along with these boxes actually. Now let's see how these boxes look like. So actually the outer coating is a plastic one, but when you open that you will see the inner is in steel actually. So this is the part that pretty much helps in keeping the food fresh, I believe. And of course this is micro oven safe as well. This is of course like you can use it for any kind of travel, office or school, but nowadays you know the situation, so we are all staying put at our homes. But yeah, even in your home you can, of course, if there are some leftovers, you can keep these nice and fresh in these boxes, and of course you can microwave them and have your food whenever you want. Yeah, this one looks tight, and I believe even children won't find it difficult to open this, I believe. That is one of the reasons we sometimes end up buying more lunch boxes, but we don't know which one works better. But this one, I think even children will be able to use it without much, what to say, without much strength actually. It's sturdy as well as not that stressful to use actually. Like, this is my first opinion when I look at this. Yeah, the outer coating looks pretty solid, and of course these are airtight containers, so as they are marketing in the name, I believe this one possibly might keep our food as well fresh, I believe. Yeah, this product's name itself is Max Fresh Hot Wave lunch box, and of course it comes with this bag as well. And yeah, I'm pretty much what to say, these zips are very much, looks very good actually. We won't even find such good zips on some good laptop bags as well, but these zips look really sturdy and nice. Yeah, Yes, that's all, friends. I think these boxes are looking lovely. Yes.